planter boxes soften the appearance of parapet walls, adding greenery to rooftops, terraces, or balconies and enhancing the overall architectural appeal. Environmental impact. They help in reducing the urban heat island effect by increasing green cover and can contribute to better air quality. Privacy and screening. Tall or bushy plants in parapet planters can offer privacy and serve as wind or sun screens. Rainwater management. With proper design, these planters can support stormwater retention and filtration. 2. Design considerations. Structural integrity. Parapet walls must be structurally capable of supporting the added weight of soil, water, and plants. Reinforcement may be needed. Waterproofing and drainage. Proper waterproofing and drainage layers are essential to prevent water seepage into the structure and avoid plant root rot. Materials. Common materials include concrete, brick, metal, or fiberglass-lined boxes, often integrated seamlessly into the wall design. Access for maintenance. Adequate access should be provided for watering, pruning, and general upkeep. 3. Construction tips. Slope and drainage. Include a slight slope and drain outlets to direct excess water away from structural elements. Waterproof membrane. Use high-quality waterproofing materials such as bituminous membranes or EPDM liners inside the planter. Insulation. In extreme climates, consider thermal insulation to protect plant roots from excessive heat or cold. Root barriers. Install root barriers to prevent root intrusion into wall structures. 4. Plant selection. Low maintenance. Opt for drought-tolerant and low-maintenance species suitable for rooftop or elevated environments. Wind and sun exposure. Choose plants that can tolerate exposure to strong winds and direct sunlight, depending on location. Weight considerations. Lightweight potting mixes and plants with shallow root systems reduce structural load. 5. Applications. Residential buildings. Commonly used on balconies and terraces to create green spaces in urban homes. Commercial properties. Enhance the visual appeal of office rooftops or public terraces. Green roof systems. Planter boxes can be a component of broader green roof strategies aimed at sustainability and energy efficiency. Planter boxes in parapet walls combine beauty with functionality, offering a sustainable and stylish way to integrate greenery into architectural spaces. Proper design and execution are essential to ensure durability, plant health, and long-term performance. Jolly or lattice work, an artistic and architectural tradition. Introduction. Jolly, also known as lattice work, is a traditional perforated design carved into stone, wood, or other materials, forming intricate patterns of geometric and floral motifs. It is a significant element in Indian architecture, especially prominent in Islamic, Mughal, and Indo-Saracenic styles. Beyond its decorative appeal, Jolly work serves both functional and symbolic purposes in architecture. Historical origins and evolution. The use of Jolly dates back to ancient Indian temples and was later refined during the medieval period, particularly under Mughal patronage. While earlier examples were simpler in form, the Mughal era saw the rise of highly elaborate and symmetrical Jolly designs, often cut from marble or red sandstone. Iconic examples include the Jollies in the Taj Mahal, Fatehpur Sikri, and various tombs and mosques across the Indian subcontinent. Materials and techniques. Traditionally, Jollies were hand-carved by artisans using chisels and hammers. Common materials included stone, like marble, sandstone, or granite. Wood, especially teak or rosewood in temples and homes. Metal, in gates, screens, or furniture. Modern Jolly work may also use CNC machines, laser cutting, and other industrial methods on materials like MDF, steel, or PVC. Functions and symbolism. Jollies are not merely decorative, they are a sophisticated response to environmental, social, and spiritual needs. Ventilation and cooling. The perforated screens allow air circulation while reducing heat and glare, creating a natural cooling system well suited for hot climates. Privacy. In Islamic architecture, jollies provided privacy without completely blocking views or light, especially in harem quarters. Light filtration. The interplay of light and shadow through jollies adds a poetic dimension to architectural spaces, often seen as symbolic of the divine. Cultural expression. The patterns in jollies often reflect religious and cultural values. Geometric patterns in Islamic art symbolize the infinite nature of Allah, while floral motifs signify beauty and paradise. Contemporary use. Today, jolly work continues to inspire architects and designers. It is used in both traditional and modern buildings, homes, hotels, restaurants, and public spaces. With advancements in materials and technology, designers are now reimagining jolly work for facades, partitions, furniture, and even fashion accessories. Conclusion. Jolly or lattice work is a brilliant fusion of art, science, and spirituality. It demonstrates the ingenuity of traditional artisans while remaining a dynamic form of expression in contemporary design. Its enduring appeal lies in its ability to blend aesthetics with utility, making it a timeless feature in global architecture. Lighting features for parapet walls. Parapet walls, which extend above the roofline or terrace edge, not only serve as safety barriers but also offer an excellent opportunity to incorporate lighting features that enhance both functionality and aesthetics. 1. Safety and security lighting. Pathway illumination. Lighting along parapet walls can illuminate rooftop pathways or terraces, ensuring safe movement at night. Perimeter security. Installing lights on or near parapet walls helps deter intruders by illuminating vulnerable access points on rooftops. 2. Accent and decorative lighting. Wall wash lighting. Fixtures placed at the base or top of the parapet can cast a soft wash of light over the wall's surface, highlighting textures, materials, or decorative elements like jolly, lattice, work. Spotlights and uplights. Directed beams can emphasize architectural details, such as cornices, moldings, or ornamental parapet designs. LED strip lights. Flexible LED strips can be concealed along the parapet edges to create a subtle, continuous glow, giving a modern and sleek outline effect. 3. Functional lighting. Step and edge lighting. For parapets with integrated planter boxes, steps, or seating, small embedded lights improve usability and reduce trip hazards. Solar-powered fixtures, often used on parapet walls to save energy and simplify installation without requiring wiring. 4. Design considerations. Weatherproof fixtures. Lighting used outdoors on parapets must be waterproof and durable to withstand exposure to sun, rain, and wind. Glare control. Fixtures should be positioned or shielded to prevent glare that could disturb residents or neighbors.